I'm called Issa Bakibinga, a veterinary officer by profession. Here we are at the farm. This is a mixed farm. It has a variety of enterprises. As we are here now, what you are viewing in the background, this is what we call the typical local chicken. When we are feeding these chicks, one, there must be the feeds. Two, there must be water. You can see the feeder, the drinkers. Now on the ground here, what we call litter, we use coffee husks. Why? It keeps the place clean. Two, if we are to be changing, we simply remove the litter. Three, coffee husks does not make our birds to become sick. Some of you always use the sawdust. It is not that every tree is friendly to our birds. You will find that once you use the sawdust, one, these 6 hours, you will not get rid out of the flu. The avian flu, it is caused by this sawdust. Two, coccidiosis is caused by sawdust. Three, even the fowl-pox is caused by sawdust. The common diseases of chicken, we have malax. Malax, the sign and symptom of malax. One, they lose weight. Two, the incubation period of this disease is 3 months. Have no chemical medicine for treating malax if you have not vaccinated them. If it comes to Newcastle, the sign and symptom of Newcastle, shaking of the neck, dropping of wings, loss of appetite, green diarrhea, and massive death. There is no chemical medicine for treating that disease in Newcastle. What you do, you can get aloe vera, but make sure that your chicks are properly fed, are properly treated.